What's up, people? It's Labor Day. We're in St. Augustine. Uncle Ryan must have slept in. Maybe you'll see him later. It's me and the fish boss. Stay tuned, baby.
Alright guys, we found the mullet. And cast. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you got a bunch of them. Now we got some bait here, guys. Alright, see you guys later when we hook
Hooked up, baby. Easy. Bud. Lift up and reel down. You don't have to jerk. Take your time. It's a dance. Jordan, the fish boss.
Shrimp.
Boom.
Oh yeah, it's a keeper.
You tied that hook, rigged it up and everything, dude.
Yeah, at the pier I did that.
Let's measure him and take some pictures with him.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I said. I said that's a keeper. Yeah, on the shrimp. On the shrimp, bro. He's gotta be a keeper. Bam. Keeper red. I'm gonna keep him and eat him tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed that fight. Yeah! First red of the day. Stay tuned for more action. Maybe some tarpon, maybe Uncle Ryan, and maybe some more reds.
The fish boss strikes first. Might have another redfish.
Oh, it just pretty sure it's sheep's head, Dad.
Dude, it's a little black drum.
Get him.
I think that's a keeper too. We gotta check the rules. I don't know what the rules are.
I'll check it.
That's a little black drum, little black drum. Little ugly.
Black drum. First a red drum, now a black drum. He's like an inch short, so we're not gonna keep him. We're gonna race him. You guys can see that, maybe. I don't know. But yeah. So first black drum today.
Alright, let him go.
Sheep's head. I thought it was a sheep's head.
Alright, dude, way to go.
Black drum.
We got a crab going down. Blue crab going down, baby. Redfish candy right here. Fish boss is hooked up. Just take your time, bud. Don't point the rod straight like that. Always keep a bend in it. Just take your time, buddy.
Let's go! Yeah!
Come on around here to the front, son. Dude, heck yeah, look at this thing. Boom, look at this redfish, sucker. Dude, this one's bigger than the last one. It might be too big.
This would be a trophy.
It's a mangrove. Flip him in.
It's a keeper. Gotta be. It's gotta be a keeper.
Probably.
Surely so.
Fish ball's hooked up again, Jack. That one's a little bigger. Ooh, what is it? Is it? Wow. Come on, walk him around this way. Bring him around this side. Man, that's a good size one. Bring him back over here. Fish balls with a stingray.